Hello, my beautiful travelers. You are watching Your Travel Insurance. Olivia Boudram here, and I am bringing you tips on how to travel safe, smart, and also bringing you up-to-date news on traveling. Anyways, today we want to talk about visitors travel insurance. It is so important that wherever you are traveling in the world, that you make sure that you have insurance in case you have an emergency health situation. I'm here in Toronto, Canada, and so I will give you a plug for Visitors to Canada insurance. And actually, it's very right on target because we have seen a huge increase in our tourism here in Canada, specifically in Toronto. We have had some major events that have gone on here. The Invictus Games was on, and some other events, and so therefore it's drawn a lot of tourism here. While people are visiting you here in Canada, you want to make sure that they have insurance. Now, they may very well have gotten it from their country and therefore they are covered, or you may have to purchase that for them. If they happen to already be here in Canada, you can still go ahead and purchase that insurance for them because they can still get coverage. The only caveat to that is that they have to wait 48 hours until they can actually put a claim in, and for very good reason. Obviously, you don't want anybody getting insurance while they're there sitting in the emergency department. So for those people who are already here, there is still coverage available for you. So let's get into what visitors insurance will cover. It will cover any emergency health situations. Some people might think, well, if I'm traveling there, then it's not that much for their health care. Their dollars are much cheaper, and that might very well be the case, and that might be true. Those dollars will add up depending on what your emergency situation is. As an example, myself, I was over in Spain, I got sick, and the total medical bill came to 13,000 euros. Translation, 20,000 Canadian dollars, okay? You know what? Regardless of whether I can pay for it or not pay for it, I don't want to. $20,000 is a lot of money. And so yes, these dollars do tend to add up. However, I did have insurance, so it was covered. And so that is my point that I'm trying to get across here, is that to make sure that wherever you are traveling to, regardless of how much their healthcare system is. Some of the countries that you travel to, you don't really have to pay anything out of pocket because they have a direct relationship between the insurance company and the healthcare facility, which is great. But not all plans are like that. So that's something that you'd want to take a look at for in your plan to see what is it that it does cover, how are the payments made. In some cases, you have to pay out of your pocket, keep your receipts, and then submit those receipts into the insurance company and then be reimbursed for those. Again, the language in your policy will spell that out for you. If you don't know, ask the questions. Ask a travel insurance specialist. Just make sure that you dot all your I's, cross all your T's, and make sure that the coverage that you are getting is the one that you're looking for. Wherever you are around the world and listening to this video, check out to see which of the insurance company policies are the best fit for you. Is it the one that's in your country to the destination you're going to, or is it the one at the destination that you'll be traveling to? Check them out and see which one. Make sure that you're completely covered and which one is going to be, well, let's just say the easiest for you to handle, right? That's what it's about. It's just about traveling smart and also traveling safe. Hey, if you have any comments or you have any questions in regards to the topic that I've just brought up, please go ahead and put those in the comment section down below. I'd be more than happy to address those or share them in amongst our peers here. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing because I am here every single week bringing you different tips and strategies on how to travel safe and smart, and also how to be healthy when you are traveling as well. Again, it has been my pleasure to be here again this week with you, and look forward to seeing you again next week. Adios.